Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video for gold. So let's get started. This is a gold daily chart I made yesterday, 24th June, and I'll give it to my subscribers. And I think I posted on the Telegram here as well. You can see this is the chart, right? Gold daily, right? Alongside with all the videos and all these setups. I always have like, maybe five, six setups every day and then post on the Telegram for my subscribers, right? So this is the gold one. And I said from here, it came down and hit the TL and the low of this 32.93, almost touched, and then it probably gonna go to the upside. Considering that this is, let me see, this is how I see it. This is how I see it, basically. Okay. This is wave three, then A, B, C, wave four is finished here. Then you can see it's like one, two, three, four, five. So that makes probably wave one, and then this is small wave two, let's say around 50% already, and hitting the TL. So I made the chart that it may drop to 61% or outer TL here, but very good chance that it may just bounce from here, right? And that's exactly what it is trying to do right now, right? So you see that's the 50% here, fib. So yeah, wave four, oftentimes, it finishes at 50% as well. 61% is the ideal, and then, sometime extended goes to 78%, but yeah, 50% also a very good spot for a wave two. If it is wave one and wave two of wave five, then we are going to go for wave three to the upside, right? So this is big wave three, four, and wave five started already. Wave five will have five subwaves, which are like one, two, followed by wave three. So right now, I think if I'm right, then we are going for wave three of three. Sorry, wave three, one, two, wave three of wave five. Okay, so wave three is the most powerful and momentous wave usually. So let's let it start, and then it will catch up some momentum later on, right? But the question is that how do we get in? When do we get in if it is going to go to the upside, and how do we know that if it is going to the upside? So for that, I use my different charts, Renko charts, right? And let me show you this. One of the chart that I use is this, for example, right? And it gives me a very precise entry points. Let me show you how. So this was, I pulled the fib from here to here, an extension. You can see that it's 178. This is 3306 area and all of that, right? And this is where the TL was coming of this daily chart. This is the current daily chart, right? See, so this TL and 3293 basically, right? This number here, 3293, and you can see it's 3293 is somewhere here, a little below that. It didn't even touch that 3293. Just went after touching the TL. Right, so TTL are powerful. See that this is the number, the support, and right there was coming the TL, so it bounced. That's what I was expecting. Now the idea to get in to the idea is to how we get a good trade, right? So I'm not gonna go backside. The video is gonna be too long. Just I'm gonna show that what happened from since yesterday to here. It was coming down here, right? And even when coming down, I knew that it's going there, right? When you look at it here, and when you are there, so you're expecting that it may be coming down to the tier. So let me show you that I made this chart on 24, which is yesterday, but I had a couple of trades even before that. Let me show you. For example, this was the trade going to the upside on the 23rd. Right? So it's a small entry here. It always wobbling, right? It doesn't go in a straight line on a daily chart. So you have a wobble. So on the 23rd, it went up, right? And this is a beautiful entry by the book entry using my system here, right? But let me show you another one. For example, this is on the 23rd. And then when it was coming down, this is let me see, this is on the 24 or like around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So let's locate that. Oops, not the, yeah. 10, 11 is right there. So you see that what really happened here is that it was dropping here. Then I had a reversal candle. This is the idea that I want to show you guys. You may want to try. So for example, it's a reversal candle and it is good for going to the upside. But it was like 9. You look at the time in the bottom here. This candle was finished at 10:55. So we look for long entry, but instead of that, what happened? It posted a reversal candle to the downside again, and it was finished at 12:20. So you can see this was in the area here. It's like between like a 10 or 11 o'clock, right? And this is like 5 o'clock here. So this entry was solid entry coming down, and I knew that it is going down, where to the TM, right? So I took this entry here, nice and clean, on the 24th, and seller is right there, and it is 220 pip. Now we come down here and hit the TL. 32.99 was 99 was there, and basically 93. We needed a 32.93 is right there, right? So after that, you can see that it started to bounce from here, like say this one here, right? So we finished this here reversal candle, and then the blue candle. Time is 17:05, right? 24:17:05. That's where this reversal candle ended. So what happened after that? 24 and 17. Let's say right after the 17. And if you look at this trade here, this is on the 24, and this entry came to right 18:53. So it was 17. The reversal candle was finished. Right after that, I got the entry here, right? And it went all the way to 140 pip. This was perfect by the book entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. But you want to take the first entry after a reversal candle or a turning point. So that's what happened here. You can see here exactly right. So this one I cashed out. Then again, it went there and hit this area, and a reversal candle shows up, right? So when that happened, it is 6:25, 12:05, 12:05. So after that, I should be looking for short, 12:05, right? Even though my analysis is saying that, bouncing from the TL, we're supposed to go to the upside. But I'm just showing you that how easy it is to pay attention to this system here and then just take the entry, and then you can still come out with some positive trades. So this one, reversal candle is to the downside is 12:05. Let's take a look at that. What happened at 12:05? And you can see this trade happened here at, this one is at 1300. So that's where the, 1229, this is 1206. So that reversal candle finished here. And after that, I got the entry. My SL was here. Price came very close, but never hit, and then dropped. So that's another 135 pip. And I knew that, we're supposed to go to the upside. So what the hell with it? I closed it for 135, and it came down and did another reversal candle right here. And when this reversal candle ended is 1750, 1750, right? So what happened after that? We need a long entry, 1750, 1750. So let's take a look at this that I have here. 1750 is right there, right? So this is where the candle finished, the reversal candle, and right after that, there's an entry. Now, by the way, this trade right now, I took it a little while ago, today, and this one is still valid. I mean, it was almost like, came down here after Powell said something, right? But then again, it started to go to the upside, and it is right now to the, let me see what the price is right now, 33.36, right? 33.36, and the trade is still good, and is going on right now. So you see, this is how easy it is between this entry And there's another chart that I use for entry, right? For 200. So look at these entries, coming down, beautiful entry, coming down, beautiful entries, going to the upside. Look at this, beautiful. It's like it's to me, it's a very, very beautiful, beautiful than a beautiful girl, right? Money, right? So yeah. So look at that. Beautiful entries, right? So this is the one that I have it, but this is like a 200 box size. The 150 box size is a little bit smaller than this, so that's why it looks like this. See that? It came more inside the wave. So see how many trades so only this week so far? From 23rd, 24th, 25th, 5 or 6 trades, nice and clean. Yeah, a couple of times my SL hit for maybe like 25, 30 pip, a couple of times. But you can, imagine that, 95 here, 140 there, 135 there. So this is how it is. So between these couple of charts, I have the system, and it is so far working really, really good, right? Of course, you need to have some kind of analysis for this, right? Uh, so if you want to learn this, right? So this is where you want to go, creativetrading.system.com. If you like and you want to learn and you want to repeat this gold mumbo jumbo and then start, trading gold like this. Every single day, you have maybe two, maybe at least 1 to 3 trade, easy, no problem with that, right? But like I said, that for example, I have to have analysis chart, which I always making. This you see, it's nicely going to the upside, right? And the daily chart that I made and that I posted on the Telegram, and I think I posted on the Forex Factory and all that, saying that this thing is going to go to the upside. And if it is going to go for wave 3, we have a long distance to go, right? So, and then right now it is 33, 37, almost 33, 38, right? So it's powerfully going to the upside. Let's see how far it's going to go. My trade is still on, so I'm going to show you later on when I close that trade, right? So just like that, daily gold chart is the bread and butter for now, and let's see how far it takes us, right? So this is it for now. Let me see if I can. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see for this one. I had the chart made. Oh, here. So this is a little Elliott wave mumbo jumbo that I'm looking at. So this is the whole drop here, the last leg to the downside, and where we finish just above the TL on the daily, right? Now the new wave starting, impulse wave. If it is going to be an impulse wave, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 1 and 2 are already done, and wave 3 is underway, right? So if we go for wave 3, it will be around 161 or maybe 178, and which is this also this level here. I don't know what the heck is that. Let me see. What level is that, man? 3384, big level, right? So we can go there for wave 3, either this one or that one. So I don't know how I don't have it written here. Maybe their background is somewhere. So 3377, 3384, this is where maybe wave 3 will end. If it is a correction and A, B, C, then the C would finish around the 61% of this whole drop, coming as well as FE 100%, right? So that would be A, B, C correction for wave 2, maybe. So that way we have to see that, okay, this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, this 3, 4, 5 to the downside. But I think that, based on the daily chart, if this count is right, then we are going to go for wave 3 above this, and this, right? So we have, we're going to like 36, 60, 37, 38, something like that. So then we only can go to the upside, and then wave 3 would be ending, like I said, the 33, 84. Then we're going to drop for wave 4 around like 38%, and then we'll go up for wave 5 again. So that will be probably taking us to, 137, 38, something like that. Right. So right now, I think that the chart that I like, the count that I like, is that it is wave 3 going on. I have a trade open, and let's see how far I'm going. Go. All right. So the reason that I'm explaining it that a lot of people ask me, so I said, okay, I'll do it. But the problem here that I said some people don't know what the candles are. There's a Renko candle, but these are different type of Renko candles. These are not the normal Renko candles. Then what box size is of this one and the other chart and the other chart that I'm using, right? So if you really want to learn, you might have to sign up for one-on-one so that I can really, in maybe, few sessions and I can explain you everything, including this Elliott wave counts or harmonic patterns, whatever is happening, and how you can pinpoint or suggest that direction. You get only suggesting or speculating the direction. Okay, like I said, if it is going for wave three, it's gonna go up, not down, right? Okay, so it's gonna go to the upside. So I'm interested in upside only. And then daily chart is showing that I'm bouncing. So I'm pay attention to these numbers here, there. I draw on my entry charts these numbers like where the heck those numbers? They're not here on the other computer. I have all the numbers and everything written down, right? So I watch them, what the price is doing in between the numbers, and let me see, like this one, like this chart here, right? I have all the numbers here written. So I have on a smaller time frame as well. I have the numbers written down, so that I can see that one by one these numbers are taken out, and we just drag slowly towards our target. So 161% is for wave 3 and 100% is for wave C. If it is going to be a correction, we will end here. If it is going to be a wave 3, we're going to have 161 touch, and after that we're going to drop 38% of this wave 3, and then once we finish that, this one is, like a zigzag correction. So wave 4 has to be like a flat correction or a triangle or something like that. I would say flat would be much, much possible. So, yeah, so I'm going to be expecting, if we get here, then I will be expecting A, B, C, flat correction sideways, and then shoot for wave 5 to the upside. All right. So this is my analysis. This is my trades in gold. And like I said last time, if you want to learn, go here, sign up for one-on-one. Let me make you a master of this gold trading so that you can collect some gold bars and put it in your safe. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.